You are going to love the 2019 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, leather trim seats, traction control, power steering, cruise control, universal garage door opener, fog lights, compass, trip odometer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
We've been serving North Texas since 1978. We've built our business for nearly 40 years on treating our customers right. We're here for you for the life of your vehicle. The next time you're looking for a new or pre-owned vehicle, come visit our family at James Wood Decatur.